Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add a website or a link to your Twitter profile. What you need to do, first just go to Twitter and log in your account and then click profile. After that click edit profile and then just scroll down, you see here website. And then just go to the website you want to copy it, or just you can go to the link. For example, if I go to my YouTube channel, if I want to add the link, just click here in your profile image and then click your channel. Then just copy this link and then go to the Twitter and paste it here and then just click save. This is what you need to do if you want to add a website or a link to your Twitter profile. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.